Yeah, I put this. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You like the cup?
Yeah.
You wanna take a look? You wanna show them how does a HDB look like?
Yeah.
We actually have
They're gonna show me the house.
okay,
guys.
this all right. This is actually a 5i, 5 improve, 5 room, 5 improve.
5 room.
Yeah, 5i. Yes,
Okay.
it's called 5i.
Oh, 5i, guys.
5i, yes. There's 5A, 5 room, and then 5i. This is 5i. 5i has usually there's an extra square meters. So 4 rooms is also lesser square meters. We have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms.
Okay.
And then same as 4 room, but 4 room usually have a smaller square meters.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So like if you want to see, we have 3 bedrooms, but I converted this into a study room. So this is where
So
our
y'all use 4 bedrooms and then one study.
yeah.
Study room and I'm thinking I'm not surprised.
Yeah, study room. So this is where we do our media. I do this is my kids. So I do my drawings here. Yeah, that's my kids' art gallery.
Okay, yeah, you got some nice
Yeah.
work.
Yeah.
You got a future with the artwork,
Yeah.
definitely.
So this is what I do on the site. So I do caricatures.
Okay.
Yep. And then this is the and his Minecraft machines.
Okay, Minecraft.
Yeah.
I know Minecraft. I know exactly what you're talking about.
Yeah. So he's we will just do our drawings and studies here.
Yes.
Yeah, and then this is actually a formerly dining room.
Okay.
So I covered it up and make it into the 4th bedroom, so called the study room.
Okay, study
Yeah.
room. It's a study room right here. Wow.
Yeah. It's a little messy,
Cool,
but
yeah.
don't mind.
But it's good because when people need to like get out of the room and just do they
Yes,
got a place
I
to go.
used to have a relative who actually stayed here for about a month and a half because her house is on renovation.
Okay.
So she stayed here. So we can actually have 2, in fact, queen size bed.
Queen size bed,
Yeah. Queen size bed.
Alright.
Yeah. So this is gypsum board. We just covered up, and then this is recycled from the former kitchen door.
Okay.
And make it into a slider.
Genius.
Yep.
Smart. That was smart.
I locked it. Forget it. Yeah, there you go. So we just recycled this as the kitchen door to the sliding door.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we have a balcony, which is also conquered by my second son. He made it into his own bedroom. Yeah, this used to be my dad's smoking area, but now he's converted into his own, my second son's own area to rest and hang out and do his read his books here. Yeah.
Video game. Just get his thoughts together.
Yeah. Then we have the. Yeah, all the bedrooms here. Then kids,
bedroom.
1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3. Kids got a play area, and then this is our kitchen.
Okay, another bedroom.
That's the bedroom. Yeah, what? You wanna show? You wanna see? Adik is sleeping.
Oh, it's okay. He want to show you.
You wanna show? He wanted to show.
I appreciate that.
This is how our bedroom look like. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, my second one is sleeping. Yeah, and then kitchen. Let's come and see the HDB kitchen.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is our all the areas that my mom will use. Kitchen, the toilets. Can put they always joke this toilet can actually put one bedder. one single size bed.
These are my boys.
That's what you got there. Transformers, let's see. Okay, the flights, is that the Singapore airline? Right?
So we have also a yard. Then some of the houses they also have yards like mine.
Okay.
Yeah. So the newer BTOs, most of them also have this space to put the washer and the dryer.
It's nice.
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's nice, man. It's nice.
Do you want to know the price, guys? Do you want to know the price?
I was about to ask you that. That's what they want to know.
Okay.
You gonna hit us with the million? That's definitely a million. You got
No, it's not a million. It's not a million.
See, the internet keeps saying that they throwing everything off.
You know where our buses pass by just now, the schools?
Yeah.
That area is almost a million.
Almost a
For
million.
4 room. This is 5 rooms. So my house used to be 420,000 when I bought it first, and then after we have subsidies. You know, we have like enhancement subsidies. When you bring your parents to stay with you, they cut off about 25,000. Then we have first timer subsidy.
everybody can be living together.
Yeah. So total we have. They cut off from the subsidy, right? From the grant. They call it the grant. The grant is about 80,000 each. Yeah, so I got it about 325,000. Right now, its value. This house value at $720,000.
So almost $1 million.
Yeah, almost
there. It's almost there.
But I'm not gonna shift.
I know you're gonna keep it. I know you're gonna keep it. Yeah.
My bus stop is you can see the bus stop
right there.
Yeah, it's like
easy
30
for you to get
seconds.
around. Now, do
Yeah.
you guys drive vehicles too?
No, we sold our cars. It's too
That's
expensive.
Yeah, I
It's too
heard
expensive.
Now clarify that. That's another thing. Is it really $100,000
Yes.
to get the certification?
Just certificate is about $100,000. And then they have different categories. So the higher the horsepower, the more expensive the cert is.
So it started at $100,000.
Its base is at 100-ish. Yeah,
And it can go up a little.
We haven't seen the 90,000 in a while.
Oh, yeah, so that ain't 90,000 in a while.
We haven't seen
So
90,000 in a while. That's true.
That's true.
Just the cert itself.
That's just for the certificate, the certification.
Of certificate of entitlement, just to get the car.
Okay.
And then the car export, because of the import and export cost, right? It's expensive also.
So-
even without the cert, and it lasts for 10 years.
10 years only.
Only 10 years old.
Yeah, 10
Do it
years.
again.
Yes.
Now they said the reason why they do that is they said, when you notice, well, this was the internet told me, nobody told me that. They said when you ride around Singapore, it's no traffic jam. They said if they waive that off, then everybody would buy a car,
Yeah.
which I believe. And it's an island, which I believe that everybody would buy, because you guys are like this. I live in New York City. They said Singapore, the island here, the main island right here, it's the exact same size as New York City. And if you go to New York City, it's bumper to
Yes,
you can't
yes.
if you go on one side of the town that takes 20 minutes, take you an hour and a half to get there. So that's why they limited.
Yeah, kind of. They want to cut the congestion, and then another way to see it is they don't want old looking cars and on the road. So 10 years.
Yeah, because every car sitting on the road is.
But you actually can renew 10 years and 5 years. Yeah.
Okay.
So once you renew 5 years, you cannot renew the car anymore. Only 10 years, you can renew another 10 years. So 10 years, 10 years, 10 years. Some people do that. I have friends who kept the car for like 30, 40 years.
So every person must got a couple dollars.
Yeah. Yeah. And then
Public transport is very good.
Yeah, it's good. Perfect.
Very easy.
Perfect. Get you around anywhere I need it. I picked it up quick. I've been here for like a month. I picked it up pretty quick, like a month and a half. I learned how to get here and how to get
MRT,
there.
bus, everything around you.
Yeah, with no problem. No problem.
yeah.
No problem. I learned how to get around everywhere.
Yeah, good.
Everything 1 month.
What happened?
You've been here in Singapore for 1 month.
Yeah. I went to Malaysia yesterday, but I've been here, yeah.
What is the difference in Malaysia and Singapore?
Money. The money.
The money.
Like I was telling him earlier, they were saying that when I was in Malaysia, they kept saying that people in Singapore are like uppity up and they're not friendly. They don't talk to you.
They say that.
Yeah, but you guys are the opposite of what they said. Y'all not that. You're not that at all.
No.
You're not that at
I
all.
think they're
They might be. I mean, there's a lot of money flowing around here.
Those who say that usually don't really
Travel or anything like that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they don't really
have any
know.
friends in Singapore.
Yeah, they do.
I don't think we used to be one in 1995.
Yeah. I know. One country. Yeah. Yeah.
So why must have that hostility?
Yeah. They like,
I don't
oh.
have any hostility towards them.
Yeah. They oh, they're not friendly. They're not friendly.
Spoke the same language.
I know. Malay. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. Some kind of mental separation. I don't know. I think it's because of guys, because of the money.
Yeah.
It's a lot of money in Singapore.
306, I think $1 Singapore is $3.06 ringgit. Yeah.
And they all come here to work. All the Malays come here to work.
All my colleagues
When
are
I was
Malaysian.
young, yeah, they come here to work and then they go.
My workplace Malaysian.
Yeah.
Nice to me.
Yeah.
Nice to them. We all.
Yeah, they come here to work and then they say go back to JB.
JB, yes.
Jahar, they go back to Jahar.
Does that mean you're the only Singaporean?
No. I have a lot of Malaysians.
They're the only Singaporean. That's probably 50-50, with the like here, there, and there.
Come, visit. Let's feast.
Okay.
Let's eat.
Hey, Mama.
All right, we'll be right back. Let me cut it off for a minute.
Okay.
Singapore. Okay, he gonna have to tell me the name of the food. What's the name?
Nasi lemak.
Nasi
lemak.
Nasi lemar.
Yeah.
Lamar. It's almost.
Yes.
It sounds like a hip hop rapper from the U.S. like Kendrick Lamar, Nazi Lamar.
Oh yeah. Minus the R, right?
Yeah.
The R you put K. That's
Okay, Nasi Lamar. Say it on the speaker.
Nasi lemak.
Nasi Lamar. Now y'all got it. Nasi Lamar.
Coconut rice is very good.
Coconut rice. So I'm about to eat right now. Now when I eat, guys, I ain't gonna show me eating and everything. That's a little too much. I'll spend time with the family and talk with them off camera, and then we'll get back with you. Okay? Hold on 1 second. All right, guys, we finished eating, and he's gonna answer. The food was excellent, and I still gotta eat that right there. I'm gonna ask him the most important question, another important question, because y'all want to know how much the money for the place, and now this is something else. The 99-year rule.
Oh yeah, 99 years. So most of the HDB in Singapore is a 99-year lease. So technically, it doesn't belong to us.
Okay.
Yeah, in a way, because after 99 years, they said the government will acquire back the land. Anyway, in Singapore, I don't think any of the blocks reach 99 years yet.
Because I was gonna ask you, okay.
I think there's one 50 years old or 60 years old block. There is.
What about what's the longest a family has ever lived in one? The 3 generations make 99 years.
Longest
Your
generation.
son,
Yeah.
he can live
Yeah.
60, 70 years.
When I bought this house, it's only 20 years old. The house itself is only 20 years old.
How long is this actual?
This actual one is already 27 years old. Yeah. So 7 years with me, 20 years is with the previous owner. So the previous owner is actually the second owner. So he's 10 years, and then it's
So
mine.
now, they got like 32 years,
Almost 30 years. 27 years.
27 years.
Yep.
Okay. So say you get old, you say, my son.
Yeah.
Hey, where you at?
Yusuf.
Yusuf, yeah, you can get this.
Yeah.
It's yours.
Yeah.
He lived here another 60 years. What's the matter from that? That's
So
67.
I'm not sure because there's
This is his only house. Here.
correct. There are instances where there's I can't remember where's the place where the residents are the government say they will bring the resident to another
Oh, so another place.
Yeah. So I don't know about this area yet because this estate is fairly new actually. It's 1998, 1999 estate.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if it does come to that, they just move them.
They should have they put them into another housing area. Yeah.
Question I have for you too. Why do most people want? Well, I don't know if that's a good question. That's what I ask. They want to get the new one. They don't want to get an older residence. Why? Like they want to build it, the fresh one. What do y'all call the new building?
BTO.
BTOs. Yeah.
Build to order.
Built to orders. Most people want the BTOs.
Yes, because BTO are new.
Okay.
And then they are. If you know Singapore, our housing appreciates, not depreciate.
Okay.
Yeah. So most of the BTOs, let's say you buy for 200,000, they can in 5 years time it will be 500, 600,000.
Oh, wow.
For instance, my friend in Punggol, the other end of Punggol, the other end of the northeast.
Yeah, we
Punggol.
was there the other day.
Punggol, yeah. My friend, so my friend bought the house for 215,000. He's now he can sell it at 630,000.
630.
Yeah. So it's about 400,000. He earns about 400. I mean, if the profit is about 400,000.
Now, can people do that? Can they stop you from that? Like, say you stay in a place for 5 years.
Second time, if you buy the house, they will charge you a levy, so it's not cheap.
Okay, because I was saying some smart guy would like try to do it as a real estate investment. Like, okay, me and my wife will stay here for 5 years.
5 years.
Then we're gonna sell it.
Yeah.
Like you got something for like 200,000.
So 5 years is the MOP, minimum occupation period. Right, but there's a new place in the central area. The minimum occupation period, right, MOP is 10 years. So you know that they don't encourage people to so-called make money.
Yeah.
You want you stay there, live there, you know.
That's smart.
Yeah. And the premium areas.
Yeah. Because we call that in the States called flipping houses.
Flipping houses, yes.
Flipping HDB. So they already prepared for that.
People used to do this last time. So government say, housing is for the people, and then let's not make HDB into like a profitable business sort of. In a way.
Yeah, they get one that's cheap. They get 600,000 off of there. Take that 600, get another one for 200.
Paper? Alright. You can have the paper on the right side, on your art table. Oh, sorry about that.
No problem. It's good. And they take it and they flip it and then they keep doing it.
Yes,
They're not gonna allow you to flip houses,
Yeah.
so nobody come up with no bright ideas.
So we have people who are from the condominiums, the private housing. Once they sell the private house, they cannot actually buy a HDB for 15 months. They have a waiting period of 15 months before they can actually purchase a HDB houses. Yeah, now you know.
See, because they'll take that money
Yes.
and buy a couple HDB.
No,
you buy more than one,
you have to buy one. Yeah.
Okay.
One per name.
Oh, but they gotta wait 15 months to get
15
HDB.
months, yeah. One per name. So let's say if you're married, you both have to own just one HDB. You can't have separate HDB, yeah.
Okay.
Or if you have money, you can actually purchase a private housing. Then you have to purchase the ABSD, the stamp duty. Oh, give me a moment.
He's taking care of someone in a second.
Ni lah bang. All these are new. All these are new sayang. They're new. All these are new. I'm back. I'm back. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me get back to the those who are staying in HDB that you want to purchase private housing, right? They have to pay the stamp duty, the buyer stamp duty. So that's like 20% of the amount of the private housing.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you can actually what people do is if you have enough money, you can actually buy private housing, and then you can stay there and rent out the HDB.
Okay.
Yeah, provided you have go through the minimum occupation period.
Okay.
Yeah.
You gotta wait 15 months.
Or not, for the 15 months is those who are staying in the condo or private housing.
Yeah.
Wants to buy HDB, they have to wait. They have the waiting period of 15 months.
15 months.
Yes.
So let me ask this question: Why would somebody that's in a condo? Why would they want to go to HDB? Or why they need to start with HDB? Because I was thinking it would be cheaper for them with the HDB than to go with the. Because they don't look no different between both.
We have a pay grade that you cannot go over to buy a HDB. So let's say you earn like 200,000 a year.
Yeah,
You can't get HDB, or you can have to buy a bigger jumbo flat or whatever. But I know there's a cut-off pay for your family that you earn, right? You cannot buy HDB. You have to buy a private housing.
Oh.
Yeah, so they have to be fair to those. They want to make it affordable for the common everyday guys. Yeah.
Oh, so if you was a cut-off salary, then
Yes, that's a cut-off salary.
okay, so they have no choice but to be in the condo.
Yes, or if they can afford private housing.